Because the people deserve better things from their government. That I believe. So, hindi yan luho. Bagay lamang. Na matikman. O ngayon, yung mga atabs ko, naka-jacket na sa loob ng
Anong atab?
mga bata. Naka-jacket na.
kasi
Yung ano,
aircon
siyempre.
Aircon eh.
Tapos,
Sana all.
may tasga pa.
Yormel.
Oo.
Nakakatawa yung sabi little girl.
Paano ka naman, di ba? Malulugod ka eh. Alam
Yung
mo,
panahon namin, libre USA, yung mga
ang social pala to, USA, kami claim eh.
Hindi, donations yun eh.
Kami claim. Nutriban saka claim. Yung powder claim.
Maasa kami sa donation ng yung mga
USA.
Oo.
Pero tumiba yung buto mo.
Obviously.
Exactly. Because the foundation when we were young, magkaibang generation lang tayo. But when we were young,
10 months younger ka lang ha?
hindi nga, tama, one generation, one decade. Pero almost the same. But we were,
Unified
our nutritional needs is being subsidized, confronted
By the city government.
by the city government. And we wanted to keep that to the next generation.
Ilang ba ang mga public schools
Okay,
mo na
good question. We started kasi nga, boka-boka lang yung ano ko pinapalipad ko eh. We started with daycare. There's about 458 daycare centers. Okay. The city owns it, operates it, and we have about 21,000 daycare students. So we started with that, Your Milk 1.0. Alam mo, spectacular yung naging reaction sa nutrisyon ng bata at yung habit ng pagpasok.
Yes.
The excitement.
May baon.
Tapos yung mga airmat saka airpad, tuwan-tuwa. Bakit? Mahal lang gatas eh.
Yes.
Hindi nila mabili ngayon, natitikman. 3 times a week. Yes, 3 times a week in 90 days period. 1 quarter. Continuous. Fresh. From dede ng cow, bote, delivered.
For how long? 3 months.
90 days.
90 days.
3 months. Now,
At no cost to the government?
ngayon, binibili ko yung gatas ng mga farmer.
Okay.
Galing to sa farm.
Okay.
Kaya tuwan-tuwa yung
Fresh milk.
mga farmer natin dahil first time kasi bumibili ang lokal
Okay.
na gobyerno, lalo na highly urbanized city.
Saan ka bumibili?
Dito, sa South. Sa Laguna, Batangas, may mga cooperative dyan na kasama yung mga farmer. We just launched yesterday,
Yes.
Your Milk 2.0. Wherein,
Bakit 2.0?
pangalawa ng version kasi escalation and expanded.
Okay.
So from 21,000, we are now going to reach 60,000 students. Anong level? Tuloy ang daycare, inakyat na namin sa big school, yung kinder at saka grade 1. Kaya umabot ng 60,000 ang siservan natin this quarter. In a good day, sana pumuti ang financials natin, then we resume for 3.0 in the same school year.
How many public, elementary, and high school?
104 public schools in Manila owned by the city, and there are 2 universities owned and operated by the city, Pamantasan Luzon de Manila and Universidad de Manila.
Ang dami na sa schools, 104 public schools owned and operated by the
Elementary and high school, plus 458 centers, daycare centers.
Yes.
Under the barangays.
Okay. So, papasok na dito muna. Ano ang status ng mga, alam ko yung condominium 3 council pa lang?
Pinondominium 2.
coming soon pa lang yan.
Ginagawa na ngayon.
Ginagawa. Yung San Lorenzo, ginagawa na rin.
San Lazaro na ano na?
San Lorenzo.
San Lazaro. Pinapasukan na ng mga beneficiaryo na bunot namin last time.
So, contact na yun?
Oo, andyan dyan na.
Okay. Ano pa yun? Yun lang
Pwede mag-google. Mag-google niya para makita niyo.
Google. So yun na lahat.
San Lazaro Residence, San Sebastian Residence, Pedro Hill Residence.
Lahat constructed na yan.
Occupied.
Occupied. Hanggang ang binabayaran ng utang sa DBP.
Kaya binabayaran na.
Okay.
Pero mas mayaman kami kaysa sa may utang kami.
Okay. Mas mayaman kayo.
If I'm going to be technical about
Oo.
it, bakit kami mas mayaman?
Oo.
In terms of asset.
Oo.
Because we bought it at a very low cost,
Oo.
ay nagkaroon na ng mga krisis-krisis.
Appreciated.
Yung produktong binili namin, mas mura nung araw. Ngayon magagawa, that's the way, one way of looking at it.
Oo.
Second, because we created value.
Uy, ang ganda nga naman.
May swimming pool yan.
10 stories.
May swimming pool.
Parang ano ay,
Isang company. Isang company na 23 square meter lang.
yan.
Babayaran mo mga 4 million, 3 million.
But you have to, may cost din sa building maintenance.
Of course. That's how you operate as a government. You have to maintain it. But paano ko nasabing mas mayaman?
Yes.
Sa tingin mo magkano value ng 20 story?
Parang yan.
Exactly. So sa libro, mas yumayaman kami dahil nag-i-invest kami sa future ng tao, ng pamilya. At the same manner, we protect the interest of the taxpayer. So it is going to be, and it will be, form part of the asset of the city of Manila.
Parang ano, rich pretending to be poor kayo.
Rich,
but pretending to be poor.
but we are poor right now. Don't sure ako doon.
Rich kayo sa utang, pero actually rich kayo sa asset.
Sa asset, mas nag-created value. And another thing, gusto ko para makita ninyo, ano ba ang beauty ng lahat ng ito kapag ang gobyerno ganito nag-invest? Kung dati may squatter, yung tapat ng bahay ni Ma'am Marichu. So yung may bumibili ng bahay mo. As you said, no, I wanted to sell 1 million. Ha? Paano mo bibili yung bahay? Gulo-gulo ng kapitbahay mo.
Yeah.
So tatawaran ka ng 300,000, 400,000. Tama? Wala ka namang magawa. Kasi chaotic yung harapan ng bahay mo. Isang araw nagising ka, may 20-story condominium
Value.
sa harapan mo. Then you wanted to sell. Then the buyer went back to you. Oh, Maricho, baka gusto mong ibenta na ng 1 million yan. What do you say?
Go!
No,
Bakit?
1.5 na.
Talaga.
Kasi it created value. You now can demand because, you know, kaya ano yan it's a chain of reaction. Positive chain of reaction sa isang community. Just imagine, Ma'am Maricho, if we have that kind of billions, ha? Ito literal to, without any exaggeration. If I have 1 trillion, let's just say, kuha lang naman. Mangarap na tayo, let's go to Mars. Nakita mo sa kanto ron, may squatter doon. Dumulo ka pa ng konti bago mag-ilog sa may left side, may squatter din. Dito, kumanan ka rito, all the way to Port Area, may squatter. Just imagine, if we build more in-city vertical housing, mauubos talaga, magiging Singapore talaga may nila.
Kaya nagre-reclamation nga, di ba? Reclamation para additional space.
Wala pa rin kami reclamation eh. Anong kapitbahay namin, hulog na ng hulog ng lupa.
Oo.
Sa wind palace.
Di sa todo yung...
Pasay,
stop yung
pero just imagine, di ba? I mean, I'm just widening, parang ano lang,
Bigger
mangarap
picture.
na lang tayo ng ano.
Pero
If we have that kind of money given to us, halimbawa lang, may mga city na may savings, 15 billion na sa bangko, 19 billion na sa bangko. If I have that kind of money, more family will have a better future by having first important thing, bahay na masisilungan, desente at panatag na pamumuhay.
Ito naman ang magiging problema ko. Punta tayo sa Manila, doon atos yung pag squatter tayo, mag-rewardan tayo ng kondo yun. Eh, mga non-city residents yun, paano yun?
That's why,
You attract more.
nakita mo,
Oh.
walang gibaan hanggat hindi ko natayo yung kondo.
Okay.
Pag natayo ko na yung kondo, giba.
Oh. Iba-upload, nakikita mo.
But, bit maleta.
Oh.
So, hindi maleta sa kung saan man. Itong maleta to, naman ito, dami. Akyat, bakanteng lote, tusok ulit kami. Which we did with the Binondo Dominion too. The one that, the place, the area that we are building is used to be occupied by squatters who are not now squatter kasi they live in Binondo Dominion 1. The open space that we created, we are now building another tower of 15 stories. Most of different agencies of government. And last Monday, our first meeting, assembly of the said EO, we have now this idea of rules. For example, a student who are involved in a rumble inside the school and outside the school. Ulitin ko
Inside the
that includes outside of school. In the community. Kasi nakikita yung mga atabs minsan, di ba? Nagsho-showdown. Doon sa nagtahan, nagsho-showdown sila doon. Naka-uniforme pa. Minsan, nandun sa Herbosa, sa showdown talaga. Lakandula. Anyway, those students or kids na maaaring estudyante namin will be expelled from our school. Expulsion proceedings will be done. Okay? Second, those kids who will be caught carrying deadly weapon under certain rules by the school and firearms will be subjected to expulsion proceedings. Third, those students who will be caught bullying other students will be subject to expulsion proceedings. Okay. And let me add context into that. Pinagkaitan ko ba silang mag-aral? Hindi naman. Habang karapatan ng pag-aaral, may responsibilidad ang karapatan na yun. Karapatan din ng ibang estudyante at mga magulang na magkaroon ng kapanatagan sa loob ng paaralan. Ligtas na school zone. So, 2, tinanggalan ko ba sila ng karapatan mag-aaral? Hindi, punta kayo sa Navotas, punta kayo sa Malabon, punta kayo sa Quezon City, sa ibang bayan, hindi naman bawal eh. Pero sa Manila, you will not be accepted. More so, hindi kayo tatanggapin sa UDM at PLM. But it is still... Ano sabi? Meron ba lawyer dito? Ano sabi sa Latin? Dural exit.
The late Mayor Hills.
Oo, kayo.